Hello everyone, welcome to my analysis of Madrid housing. In this video, we will explore the trends and factors influencing property prices and identify potential investment opportunities. Here is our first question, data transformation and cleanup. So firstly, we will go to the Power BI and do the get data. I have file in CSV format, so I will import from this text and CSV. Then I will upload it from here. Then it will look like to me like this. Okay, it is taking some time. It has been uploaded. So firstly, we have to check whether any column has an empty value or not. So how do we check it? We will go to view column, then column. Here you can see the three options. One is valid, second is error, third is empty. Valid is all good. Error means there is some problem with the data and we have to rectify it. And empty means the data has a null value. So we have to clear all the null values and the error values. So I have already done that. You have to manually check the all column and ensure that no column has any error and the empty values. So I have done that. And if you have a column which has more than 80% of the data as a null, then you have to remove the data. I have removed that 90% null columns. Then next is check the data for the data type. Check the column for the data type. Like I have some columns where the boolean value is filled, like true or false. So in this column, I have three values, true, false and null. But I have replaced that null value with the false. And also I have done this to the other column as well. And if you have the categorical value like title, subtitle, or maybe street name, and if these columns has a null value, then you have to replace these values with the unknown. Then I have replaced some of the floor values because they have the null. Then I put the floor values null to 0. Then I have also replaced some other values depending on the data type. If you have the numbers, then you can also use the median value or mean value. Then we have to remove the duplicates based on the order. So I have selected this and then remove duplicates, and it will remove all the duplicates. Then comes the next question, which is the price analysis based on the property features. After removing the duplicates, we will close and apply. So here I have created the price analysis, like average price has AC, average price whose exterior has been done, average price for the new development, and average price which has pool, average price which has parking, and the correlation box. This correlation is a dynamic card. We can change the value by clicking on these values. It will take some time, like this. The correlation price with AC is 0.16, and with that it is 0.25. So we already know that the correlation value is range between -1 to +1. So if the value is close to +1 or -1, then it is highly correlated. If it is close to +1, then it is strongly positively correlated. And if it is close to -1, then it is negatively strongly related. By analyzing this correlation card, we can clearly say that the correlation with parking is higher. So the property with the parking has a higher average price than the property with the new development or is exterior and the other values. We can also conclude with these cards, like average price has parking has $1 million, but the average price in development is $587,000. So these two features are less correlated to the average price than the parking and price. So next question is market segmentation for investment properties. So we have to categorize based on the house type ID and find out the average square meter price and identify top 5 most lucrative investment opportunities based on square meter built and loan interest rate. So this is the investment opportunity slide. Here I have created a bar chart where house type is on the y-axis and average square meter price is on the x-axis. So house type 5 Eticos has the highest average meter square price and the unknown is the lowest. This pie chart shows the top 5 investment opportunities based on the square meter built. Here, this Casao Chalet Independent and Venta has the greatest investment potential. And these are the top 5 investment potential based on the square meter built. And this is the table for the average square meter price and the average square meter built. So our next question is interactive dashboard creation. So we have to create a dashboard which has the filter for region, exterior, pool and new development and incorporate the visuals to dynamically adjust the data such as average price, total listing, average square meter price, etc. etc. So this is the dashboard where you have the filter of house type ID, is exterior, has pool, is new development, and the top 5 investment opportunities, top 5 house by average square meter, and the total listing, average square meter price, buy price, and the rent price. So if we click on let's say house type 1, so we can find out that 17.71 thousand listings are under this house type 1 and the average square meter price is 4.43 thousand and the average buy price is 520 and the rent price is minus 14.15 thousand, minus 14.15 thousand. And the top 5 investment opportunities based on the square meter built under the house type 1 is this. Similarly, we can do this for the house type 2. We can find out that how many listings are under the house type 2 and the average square meter price and the buy price, rental price, similarly for the other house types. We can also find out the average square meter price and average buy price based on these 3 features. Like if there is the feature of exterior, then the average square meter price is 4.53 thousand and the buy price is 576 thousand. But if it is false, if there is no exterior, then the price increases significantly. The property has the pool, then its value is approximately 2 times. So we can clearly see that the pool has highest correlation with the buy price.